Greetings to all. We, the students of Sardarbela Gyan Jyoti Guwahati, would like to present our pitch.
Did you know nearly 80% of people aren't drinking enough water? 63% of adults aged 18 or above reported drinking sugar, sweetened beverages once daily or more. On an average, 16% of an adult's daily sugar intakes come from soft drinks.
Now, to encounter these problems, we introduce you to our brand,
Sip-In.
Sip-In kills two evils with one stone, that is plastic and sugar. The design of our product looks like this. So you must be wondering what's so unique about our product. This is where the interesting part is. The pods. Pods are ring-shaped structures that add flavor to the water without actually adding any mixture to the water. To activate the pod, we need to pull it upwards and not tilt it while drinking.
You would be wondering about the mechanism of a product. The mechanism of a product has a science behind it, retronasal. Most of us assume that taste is achieved only through our tongue and taste buds. But in reality, tongue is partially responsible for the portion of flavor we experience. So with Sip-In, we drink plain water with flavors experiencing through scents.
We offer a variety of products with different price ranges.
So while analyzing the cost structure, our overall profit margin ranges from 35 to 45%.
What makes our idea great is our target audience that varies from teenagers, middle class and upper class people and diabetic patients.
The strongest part of our pitch is the USP of our product. Our product reduces the sugar intake of a person. It is fully recyclable and is completely made in India. The product uses environmentally friendly techniques such as using of honeycomb paper instead of bubble wrap.
Thank you.